In self mastery, we have learned a lot of activity. From that activity, my confidence is boosted at a 10 levels. So I feel that I can do anything by learning these tools from this activity. This self mastery, we aware about our law of attraction, law of growth, sustain. How can we create our life, and who can sustain also growth? How much level who can achieve all this? So yes, very nice. There are also we learn mudras. So there are multiple way we can heal our life. Mudras is there. Also other is reframe is there, and also due to this activity, body also get very vibration at a vibration level 10%, sorry, 100% vibration level, and mind is also very positive, thinking all positive thoughts. Due to this positive thoughts coming in mind always. So that's a very great learning from this. They also tune the sharpen the eggs, unlimited beliefs, standard, raise standard. So all this due to this activity, confidence boost very higher level.